Good morning, it's the 5th of May. My name is Mark, bringing you the technical breakdown here from Crypto Collective. Yesterday we touched base on Bitcoin and its potential moves, and hopefully you made some decent chunk of change from the analysis we gave you, looking at how to either look for short opportunities or look for longs based on the technicals we were seeing. So if you remember rightly, yesterday we were somewhere around this area, we were selling off, and we looked at the 4-hour chart. We saw nice corrections, basically price coming off the trend line, and we were breaking through, producing lower low, lower high. And then when we looked at the hourly chart, this one in the bottom left hand corner, we highlighted this potential trend line here and this horizontal here and said, look, if price is going to create new highs, then we'll be looking to get long. However, if price breaks through this area here, we're going to start looking for shorts. And you'll see, look, this is exactly what happened in this area, and then there was a lovely downward movement for Bitcoin to continue its drop towards the $53,000 mark. Now, listen, you can't predict exactly where the market's going to go, how to get in, but there's certain clues that the charts will give us when you use time frame correlation on how to take advantage of these moves. Now, last night and through the early hours of today, we've seen this happen, potential double bottom, but then we've seen the market create a new high, and then we've seen this corrective pattern. Now, something that was taking my eye is basically if price is going to break through this trend line here, which we've seen on just this 15-minute candle. Now, really, that's not enough for me to warrant just jumping straight into the market and think that the bulls are back in town. I'm going to look for a couple of things. One is I want to see price break this high here, which would just essentially mean that the momentum has shifted from lower lows, lower highs to higher highs and higher lows, and then we can look to trade that move and basically look for the market potentially to run its course back up towards the $59,000 mark. So early signs are today it's going to be a positive day for Bitcoin, but we're pretty much at the key sort of level right now where we need to see buyers take this through, or ultimately we could just continue to see the resumption of selling of Bitcoin. But I'm for the forecast that if we break through 55.4, we're going to continue to see some nice upward trajectory on Bitcoin. And as you can see, if we just look at all these cryptos that I've got highlighted here on the right hand side, these are of my short watch list that I'm watching. You can see that it's a sea of green today. Yesterday was a sea of red. So let's take a look at Ethereum, because this is hot on everyone's lips right at the minute. So a couple of things that were key and paramount for understanding where Bitcoin was, Ethereum was likely to go next, is basically this chart down here on the bottom left. If we just zoom in, you don't really want to be betting against Ethereum right now because the momentum is there, the buyers are there. Any kind of dip is bought up by the public or by institutions. You can see price is still, every time there's a strong sell, buyers find the bid around the 3,200 in recent weeks, or in recent days I should say. Now the sell-off has been a little bit less aggressive over the last two sell-offs, so a break above here and I see new highs coming, so watch out for Ethereum to break to new highs. And this should bode well, I guess, for altcoins. If we're seeing Bitcoin gaining some momentum, which we are, it's at $2,000 today, and Ethereum outperforming. When we look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, we can see that it's still heading down. So that really just signals the way for more altcoin performance. What else are we looking at? Well, I suppose we might as well finish off with Dogecoin today, because this really. There's some seriously wealthy people out there right now off a very little investment in Dogecoin, taken as a bit of a joke. It's performing, the retail, the Reddit, the hype, all these guys there, with the aid of Elon Musk and a couple of other celebrities, they're really pushing it. It touched 70 cents today. You could see I was waiting for a break of 43 to look for more add-ins. The market's gone. We do have Elon Musk speaking on Saturday Night Live, this coming Saturday. So expect maybe a little bit more hype. Will we touch that $1 barrier before Saturday Night Live? Remember, guys, profit is never profit until you bank anything. So I'm literally all out of Dogecoin. I'm going to wait for a pullback. If it doesn't, I don't mind. Profit's profit. So everyone else, stay disciplined, and like I said, make sure you are banking profits along the way. Unfortunately, I always have to finish off with this. Remember, here at Crypto Collective, we are a bunch of crypto enthusiasts, ranging from technical experts like myself to fundamental experts that look at the projects themselves from conception through to what they're forecasting, the directors behind the organization, and what they're looking to do. And we're going to have some really, really interesting reports coming out for you from a fundamental perspective in coming weeks. Now, if you do like the content that we share, please make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe. And we look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Take care, guys. Bye bye.